Hello friends, welcome to Building Web App YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the concept of event binding in Angular. Okay. Uh, Here inside the project I have created one component, toggle component. Okay. Inside the HTML file I have created one event. Okay. Toggle message event. Whenever I click this button, toggle message button, it will trigger an event. Okay, so based on this event I have written one logic here. The logic is very simple. I have created one message visible property. Whenever the event is triggered, the message visible value will gets changed. Whenever it is true, set to false. Whenever it is false, sets to true, because we are using the negation operator, which is a vice versa. Okay, so based on this, the HTML file, I will display the message. Okay, if it is true, the message will be displayed. This is false, will not be displayed. Let's check this in the browser. Now I am clicking the toggle message button. The event is triggered and the property is set to true. That's why the paragraph is visible. If again I click the button, it is false. So based on the condition, it is not displaying the paragraph. Okay, so this is how event binding is working in Angular. So this is a communication from the HTML file to the component. Okay, if you like this video, please do hit a like button. If you have any doubt, comment and share it with your friends. Thank you.